It says no peeking.
No.
No.
Maybe open it on the side.
Oh.
Jax, who are those presents from?
Oh no.
Grandpa Dave and Grandma Debbie.
Yeah.
Looks pretty cool.
Oh, exciting. What is it?
I don't know. It's all for me.
Wow, look what it is. It's a car and a plane and a motorcycle and a drill. Neat.
Yeah, but
Does that look like fun?
yeah, but I like my old one.
You don't like, well, here's a new one.
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, very cool.
Cool, Jax. I
What else
like
is
it.
in here?
Here.
I already got the pants.
Oh, yeah.
There's this in there.
Ooh.
I just take the sticker off.
I don't think that'll come off pretty easy.
Oh.
Try it from the back. There we go. Good idea on tissue paper. Grandma Debbie.
What's in here? I don't know what's in here. It says no peeking. These presents are for me. They bought them for me.
No, it's Grandpa Dave and Grandma Debbie.
And Grandma Debbie.
Yeah.
Cool.
Ooh, a shirt.
What's it say on the front, Jax?
And
Ooh.
University
Can I
Sports.
take that?
Wow.
You like the shirt?
Nice
Looks
outfit.
pretty warm.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, a couple more. Wow, you must have been good this year.
Yeah. Here's another one.
Ooh.
Let's see what's in here. A shirt.
Oh, another shirt. Yay.
You like sports shirts, don't you?
Yeah.
Hold it up. Let's see it.
You think it'll fit you?
Yeah.
Oh, I think it will. You'll grow into it, too.
That. Football shirt.
Yeah.
Neat.
And just one more present.
One more.
One more. And to see what's in this one.
You like these presents, Jack?
Good.
Gotta be the one that takes batteries. Oh, it's a drill.
Oh, the drill.
Wow.
Ooh, what is it?
Those would be good because it's been so cold here,
Sweatshirt.
Jax.
Oh, very nice.
Daddy has one just like that.
Big football
And
sweatshirt.
you got pockets too.
Say thank you to Grandma Debbie and Grandpa Dave.
Thank you.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.